Hello and welcome everybody. TLRY stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price predictions explanation. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. So according to what we want, absolutely for TLRY or TLRY, this is going to be a feedback about what we want here from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level. Okay, and this is going to be such a different things that we should take in consideration during this part explanation. So that is going to be very fine to see that whether this TLRY stock will increase or not next time according to the price that had happened here. This will be our price that we want on TLRY. So this is going to be 4 hours outlet instead on 1 day. So that is going to be about the price that would stop also in this part. So this is going to be on TLRY stock to put circle here and decrease next time. Hope you benefit from what we have explained on this video.